Hello, my friend Tyler here. Today I cannot wait to show you how we're going to take this landscape from drab to fab. Alrighty guys, here it is, drab and now fab. All we did was add in some mass colors for a more uniform look, add in some grasses, and add a thin layer of mulch. Totally simple, totally easy, and totally something that you can do yourself to spruce up your landscape. For more info and more green tips, be sure to check out tylerbanken.com. Until next time, we will see y'all on Green Tea Time.